Well, guys, this is the end of the road for the Bumblebee. For me, not for the car itself. I've actually sold the car on P-Car, and it's going to a great guy who lives in New Jersey, actually. So the car is headed back out east. And it's a little bittersweet, to be honest with you. I mean, the car has been a part of my life for 5 years now. Got me through COVID, helped me build the channel, and meet a whole lot of great people. So I'm really happy with how it turned out. I hope that the new owner is going to be just as thrilled and get as much enjoyment from it as I did. But for now, it's going in here, and the driver is just getting it ready. I do have a new project coming. It's a 914.6 1970 barn find, actually a shop find. It was been in a climate controlled shop for 42 years, and I'm going to bring it back to life. So that's the new project, and that will be the new series. But for now, it's saying goodbye to the Bumblebee. So this is Yuri. He's the driver, and he's going to take a ton of photos of the car to ensure that everything's properly documented before it gets on the trailer. Get a few more final images of this car that hopefully I will see again. Since I move cars and buy and sell cars, a lot of people ask, what's the best way to transport them? And the answer is to try to see if you can find an owner-operator, a guy or a family or a group that owns their own trucks. Because these services that you get online, where you just click on something about, moving a car, they're usually brokers. And brokers are just putting that job up for other owner-operators to actually go and bid on the job. So it becomes kind of a race to the bottom, and you don't want to get the lowest common denominator kind of driver for something that's this important and valuable to you. So try to find an owner operator. How do you do that? Well, if you have some friends in a car community, they may know some people. Obviously, when you get a car off of a hauler, you can ask them for their information, and then you'll have that information for the future, assuming you like the job they did. The company I'm using here is AG Auto Transport. I've used them to ship a bunch of cars, and they really do a great job with a giant truck that holds 7 cars. Pretty cool. Just one more look at the interior, and you see over there's a box of miscellaneous parts that are included in the sale. Pack them up nicely. And then here in the trunk, we have the original factory sway bar, also packed up, ready for transit. And the last mechanical job on this car is to take the license plate off. She's been a fun one. One last look in here on this side. So now the only thing left is to get the car actually onto the trailer. You'll notice that this is an enclosed trailer. You can ship with an open trailer, but for a long cross-country kind of trip, I don't really trust an open trailer because too many things can happen to the car. Rocks kick up or anything else. An enclosed trailer costs a little bit more, but I think it's worth it. So now Yuri is going to remote control the ramp to bring it up to the level of the truck. You can tell he's done this before, right? And then he's just gonna gently pull the car forward. Oh man, he almost stalled it there. But you know what, that's better. It's better that he goes easy than to gun it. They're super careful, these guys. That's why I like using them. All right. Now all that's left is to tie the car down and head on out. It's not going anywhere. Some good company in there. All right, buddy. Lock it up. Lock and load. Hitting the road. And that's all she wrote. The car was delivered to me on a truck, and it leaves on a truck, with a whole lot of fun in between. And she's off. Thank you so much for watching this series, and I hope you'll stick around for the next series on the 914-6. Be safe and enjoy.